Are you throwing away money without even knowing it? Yes, literally, you are throwing it away every single day. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you know what to do. Like this video, subscribe, and hit on the bell notification icon. If the options pop up, click all so you don't miss any of my upcoming tips and strategies that could help you grow and save in your business. Now let's get straight to the point. Every business exists for one key purpose. And what's that? That is to make profit. And to do that, business owners focus on product quality, manufacturing efficiency, and smart distribution. But one thing most entrepreneurs overlook is the opportunity to create passive income streams within the business, especially what most people see as waste. There is an old saying, if you ignore small money, you may never see the bigger ones. In other words, the habit of dismissing small opportunities can close the door to bigger breakthrough. So in the sachet water business, most owners focus only on selling water, but there are hidden opportunities to earn extra income, or at least cut costs by recycling or reselling materials that are considered useless in the sachet water production. So let me share with you two key things you should never throw away in your sachet water production. Now, one of the things that can affect you is zero stress income is the paper core from the film roll. Now, each film roll you used in packaging water comes with a hard cardboard or a paper cone in the middle. After you've used up the roll, the cone is tossed out. But that's a big mistake. So many companies buy those cones for reuse in their own packaging production. If you gather and store them in bulk, you can sell them back to the film suppliers or companies that make new roll. This will make you a millionaire, but it's an easy zero effort income stream that can support small expenses like buying sachet bags, printing, and paying for minor repairs, all from something you were going to throw away anyway. So the second thing that can make you effortless income in your sachet water business is the waste of nylon. During production, it is common to have leftovers or damages of pieces of nylon. Do not throw this away. Gather them in bulk and look for recycling companies or local collectors and sell this to them. These can support in electricity bill or fuel, paying of casual labor, or getting some input for your factory. This is not just a passive income, but also smart cost recovery that is going to help your expenses in your sachet water journey. Now there you have it, two simple overlooked ways to create passive income or cut down operational cost in your sachet water business. Do not throw your nylon scraps away. Do not throw away your cones. Turn your waste into wealth. Now this is all I have for today. If this video has been helpful to you, give it a massive thumbs up, like and share so others can also benefit. If this is something you have already been doing, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.